voice remained inside the tent, and he came to know what had been done, what had been seen, and what had been covered. And he began to speak, not in haste, but slowly as one who has understood. And his words moved forward toward the generations. He spoke of Canaan. Cursed be Canaan. A servant of servants shall he be to his brothers. And the words settled into the air. Then he turned and continued, Blessed be the Lord, the God of Shem, and let Canaan be his servant. May God enlarge Japheth, and let him dwell in the tents of Shem, and let Canaan be his servant. And the words remained, not loud, not rising, but resting where they were spoken. And time continued forward.